Creating content has become one of, the biggest things in the environment, and a lot of people find it difficult to start up their content creation because they don't have the funds to purchase most of the equipments that are needed to create content for YouTube. I want to show you the easiest way you can start up your content creation game without having to spend so much. If this is what you'd like to learn and you would want to upgrade your content creation game in 2024, keep watching this video. So there are lots of software tools that can help you step up your content creation game, but first off, you need a good lighting setup if you want your content creation game to go up. Now, the lighting setup I am talking about isn't the luxurious lighting setup. You need the natural light, or you need to get a ring light or a LED light for your content creation. Now, if you have either of these lights, now the LED light is important because if it is lit, you cannot create your content outside. You need your LED light or your ring light to create that content. But during the day, you can, shoot directly from your window and you're good to go in creating your content. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you have your light available. The next thing you want to work on is your camera. You can use your mobile phone or you can use a camera to create your content. But then while using your mobile phone, ensure that the lens is always clean. You don't want to shoot a video that is blurry and it's going to discourage you from putting it up out there. So start with cleaning your mobile phone lens or your camera lens to ensure that the quality of your content is great. Okay, then the next thing you're going to do in getting the background that you want for your content creation, you can shoot your content in any background that you want actually, and then I'm going to show you how you can change that into something more luxurious.
First, you want to sign up to Leonardo AI and create an account. Download the pictures you want to use as your background. I'll be dropping the prompt I used to generate the background that I used for this video in the description box. When you're done downloading, go to Canva. You can download the YouTube logo and any other YouTube design that you want to add to your background. Okay, you're just going to crop it and fit it into the space that you want. The YouTube plate that I used for this video, I downloaded it online through Google Chrome. Okay, and then I cropped it and added to this video too. So it kind of looks more like a realistic YouTube living room setup. So that was just what I wanted. Then I will go back to my CapCut and I will replace the previous background that I used for my video and put up this new background. Okay, so typically what I did was to create this background. When you go to CapCut, upload the background and then overlay the video that you want the background to show on, and you go to cut, you cut out the video, and the previous background of your video is going to go out. You can see this here, the previous background is going to go out and you would have something like this. Okay, so I did this for a second background and this is the outcome. This is what it looks like. You can also add some makeup to your face to look good. Okay,
and all this I did with my mobile phone. If this is something you'd love, don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I would be sharing more helpful tips. I would also share with you the template on how I edited my face. If you enjoyed this tutorial video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Okay, I'll be sharing with you the template of how I changed my face from this to this. I don't have to make up again, neither do I have to bother about my background before I can create my content for YouTube. Till next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.